Within property flood resilience, I see a lot of people that think it's just about sticking barriers on doors and nothing more complicated than that. The property I'm at today actually had a survey before we got involved that was very similar to that. It was sort of about barriers sealing the floors, but the property doesn't really lend itself to that. And actually, if you look at the site holistically, it's already part of a much wider defended scheme. But actually, as a result, there's obviously hydraulic connectivity in the ground, and it didn't flood from water flowing overland. It actually flooded from water coming up through the ground. So we've been involved in the project for quite a while, and if I just show you, one of the things we've had done is eco drains around the house to pick up any water as it moves in sort of around the property to try and intercept it before it has a chance to come up through the floor, which then goes into a pumped chamber, and it pumps the water away from the property with the hope of keeping it dry.